How to perform a factory reset. To reset the door lock back to factory settings and wipe out the existing user's and registered master PIN. Start by unlocking and opening the door. Then take the battery cover off. Press and hold the registration button and wait for 3 sets of beeps. Then enter 1470852369 and then press star. Set the door lock direction by closing the door and allowing the magnetic sensor to sense the magnet. To test, open the door and lock it using the manual thumb turn from the inside panel or press the key button. Wake up the display by touching the screen from the outside. Then press the 2 random numbers that will appear on the screen. All of the numbers on the keypad should now light up. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4 and then press star. If the door unlocks, then you have successfully initialized the door lock.